English ma'am Urmil Joshi from Ardent Progressive School. So students, after PG1 examinations, today we will start our next unit from your Marigold book, that is unit number 3, and the chapter number is 5. This is a poem written by Mary Daunt and the name of the poem is Run. So what is the meaning of run? Moving fast. Moving fast. तेज तेज दौड़ना या चलना, that is run. So in this poem you can see the picture I am showing you here, and this is the first picture. This is the life of a country. This is the life of a country or a village. And in the next picture you can see the life of a city. So what difference you can see in these pictures? You can see that in the country life, the people, the children are very happy and they are sitting under the tree and they all are playing there and getting fresh air. क्या कर रहे हैं ये लोग? सब बच्चे खेल रहे हैं और सब fresh air को enjoy कर रहे हैं, and they all are very happy there. And in the next picture, this is the picture of a city. And what are the drawbacks of the city? What are the disadvantages of the city? The crowd. There is so much crowd and traffic jam also, pollution, there is less fresh air, and this is the picture of a city. So take out your book and open the page number 38 of your Marigold book. Page number 38. First, I am reciting the poem. After that, I will explain the poem and I will write hard words, word meanings and question answers of this poem. So, this is the poem written by Mary Daunt and the name of the poem is Run. Away from the city and into the sun, out to the country, run, run, run. Run in the raindrops, run in the trees, run little races with each little breeze. Run down the hillside, run up the lane. Run through the meadow, then run back again. Run and be merry all through the day. Run to the country, away, away. So in this poem, the poet wants to run. What the poet wants? The poet wants to run away from the city, as it feels that the life of the city is very, very boring, and there in the city there is so much pollution and crowd also, and the poet wants to run away from the city to the country, and he wants to come to the country into the sun where so much fresh air and the life of the village is very nice. So the poet wants to come in the country or village. Run in the raindrops, run with the trees, run little races with each little breeze. So the poet in the second paragraph is saying that he wants to run in the raindrops. He wants to run in the raindrops, drops of the rain. And he wants to sit under the tree in the village. वो क्या करना चाहता है? He wants to enjoy the rain. He wants to enjoy to sit under the trees and play there. Run little races with each little breeze. And the pleasant wind and the little pleasant wind, he wants to run little races. He wants to enjoy the race there in the village. Run down the hillside, he wants to run in the hillside slope. in the slope of the hilly area, he wants to run down and run up the lane. And in the narrow road also, he wants to run. पतली पतली सड़कों में, गांव में वो दौड़ना चाहता है, जाना चाहता है. Run through the meadow. Meadow means a field with grass and wild flowers. जहाँ पर क्या होती है, ग्रास होती है और जंगली फूल होते हैं, उनको हम बोलते हैं meadow. So he wants to run through the meadow. Then run back again. Run back again to the home. After that, he wants to run back again. Run and be merry. He wants to be merry there. He wants to be happy there. All through the day, run to the country, away, away. And he wants to run to the country, away from the city. As the life of the country is very pleasant and everybody is happy there. They all are enjoying the life of the village, life of the country. Also, the poet wants to run away from the city, as the life of the city is very polluted and crowded also. There is so much pollution and jams also, traffic jams also. That's why the poet wants to come into the village to enjoy, to be happy there with the people of the village. So here in the poem, the poet is telling about the life of the country or the village, that how pleasant, how happy life the people of the village are enjoying. And the poet also wants to run away from the city and wants to come into country. So I am writing some hard words here and you have to note down in your notebook. Hard words. So first word is country, country. Second word is rain, rain, drops, drops, drops of rain. Third word is breeze, breeze. Fourth word is lane, lane. Fifth word is meadow, meadow. Next word is hill, hill, side, side, hillside. Seventh word is merry, merry. First word is country, country. Next word is rain, drops. Next word is breeze, breeze. lane, meadow, meadow. hillside. And the last word is merry, merry. Now you have to write these hard words in your notebook. I am writing word meaning. So here I have written word meanings. So first word is raindrop, a drop of rain. बारिश की बूंद. Raindrop, a drop of rain. Next word is breeze. Breeze means a light and pleasant wind. Next is lane, a narrow road in rural area. Narrow road in village is called lane. Next is meadow. Meadow means a field with grass and wild flowers. A field with grass and wild flowers. Next is hillside. Hillside means the sloping side of hill. Next is Next is beneath. At a lower level than something. Beneath means at a lower level than something. So now I am writing some rhyming words also that has come in the poem. So I am writing some rhyming words of the poem. So in the poem there are some rhyming words. You all know what are rhyming words? Rhyming words means that gives similar sound. Rhyming words that gives similar sound. जो एक सी sound देते हैं. So in this poem, some rhyming words are also here. S-U-N, sun. The rhyming word of sun is run in the poem. Next is trees. Breeze. Trees, breeze. Similar sound is coming here. Lane, again. Day, away. So these are the rhyming words of the poem. Sun, run, trees, breeze, lane, again, day, away. So these are the words, rhyming words that give similar sounds. So this one also you have to write in your notebook. Now I am writing question answers of the poem. So first question is, question number 1. What is the poem? What does the poem tell us to do? Tell us to do. So answer is, the poem tell us to run, tell us to run and to remain happy and to remain happy throughout the day. Throughout the day. Throughout the day. So this poem tell us to run and remain happy in the village throughout the day. So the next question is, question number 2. Write about the places. Write about the places where the poet wants to, where the poet wants to run. So answer is, the poet wants to run. The poet wants to run away from the city. First is away from the city. The poet wants to run away from the city. Second is into the sun. Next is towards the country. Towards the country. Next is in the raindrops. In the raindrops. Next is fifth, beneath the trees. Down the hillside. Down the hillside. And the last is through the meadow. Through the meadow. So these are the places where the poet wants to run. Go there. So these places are away from the city, into the sun, towards the country, in the raindrops, beneath the trees, down the hillside, and through the meadow. So these are the places where the poet wants to run from the city, away from the city, and the poet wants to go in the country, these places. So now you have to write hard words, word meanings and rhyming words, question answers in your Fair English Literature notebook. So this was the poem Run, and you have to write all the questions in your notebook. I hope you all have understood this poem and the explanation part also, and how I compared the country life to the city life. Advantages and disadvantages of the life of country and city also. So now you will do it. Take care. Bye-bye.